is used to regulate the speed using push buttons. One push button is used for speed up and the second is used for speed down. It is simple programming for input terminals only. First, let's discuss the connection. Forward or reverse will be from P1 and P2. P4 will be used for speed up and P5 will be used for speed down. I will show in the demo now how to program P4 and P5 for up or down function. I will go to IN68 and program it to up, and in IN69, which is for P5, I will program it down. Now I will turn on the run signal. As you can see, the keypad is indicating forward direction. However, VFD is waiting for speed signal. I'll press up and you can see the speed of the motor is increasing, and when I press down push button, the speed of motor is decreasing.